Today I just wanted to share a little snippet about something I really believe in, that losing even a single word of a language or even a dialect is like losing a little piece of social history and social connection. So ironically, doing this video from Llandudno, I'm talking about my Flintshire dialect of Welsh. And in Flintshire, we've got this brilliant little dialect word, SNAPIN. Now, SNAPIN is basically your snack, your little lunchbox bite, and it comes from the idea of snapping Tupperware boxes shut. It's a sort of an English borrowing that's found a comfy little home in Cymraeg. In fact, it's so local that I remember my grandfather asking me, "Have you got your SNAPIN?" Which is just a lovely bit of heritage in a single word. And here's the fun little twist. In some schools around the northeast, break time isn't just amser egwyl, it's amser snapin. So next time you're up in Sir Flint, you know exactly what to call your snack break. And hey, if you forget your snap-in, just remember, losing a word is tragic. Losing your snack, there's a real crisis.